So today's the 8th of the 8th, 2023. So we're here on one of our first mega slopes in this valley that we've done multiple videos on, and we're doing a repair on a small mudslide which we're doing today. And you can see that this slide in this area here, okay, went right over these big mature 6-8 foot hedge, this mega hedge down the bottom, this fence, right? And even though there was tons of clay over them, they never die. And now you can see how green they're reshooting again now. You can see how stained all the power of this grass is like truly a miracle grass. This rock here, they're growing, all the bamboo is growing around the rock. You can see now this how mature this hedge, where there's only one small area, this mega project, and have a look how thick, mature and strong. But here it is here. This is what you call, and they're flowering. So what other plant can endure this type of heat, this with no soil and a harsh plastic? Now the plastic is, we've decided to leave the plastic because this is a very steep slope. It's 1,500 square meters. It's residential units next to it. So to avoid concreting and putting retainer wall, we will be removing the canvas in maybe another 6 or 12 months. It rots anyway, but we continue on. All these areas that you cannot see no grass, that means there's rock and granite. Okay, so all those anchors which did survive, have a look how thick and wonderful they are. Look, this is the nail of the earth, the anchor, the miracle grass. Okay, and once again you can see how the hedge that we did will stop all the soil, clay, and it falls behind the bottom hedge here, creates a terrace. Look at that, it's a miracle flower, the Christmas tree flower. We call it the vetiver Christmas tree flower, and we call it the king of all flowers. See, that's the Christmas tree, and this is the project that we're working on. Look how gorgeous, evergreen solution. Now this is stopping, and this is already, even through a major flood and a major extreme weather problem, no erosion. Only the middle of this had a mudslide, and it's so easy to recover with our experience and our systems. And it's all going to be 100% fully recovered, and we're able then to increase the planting due to the extra rocks and granite that fell. So this is called bioengineering with vetiver technology, and these are like, this is an actual engineering, green engineering solution. And this is basically what the whole hedge will end up looking like. And even there you see this rock here, this massive stone. Why is it all this grass? Because the bamboo grows around it naturally. Okay, and all that's coloured at the moment because it was all covered by clay. It was a isolated mudslide. Okay, so these don't die. They're so incredibly strong, and the roots of this mega slope at the moment is actually about 12 months old, so they're about 2 meters deep. 2 meters deep. So that goes a long way from there right to the end here. So eventually, every inch of this orange carpet will be vetiver grass. But for phase 1, we've achieved the stabilization. Phase 1, the stabilization, and due to the incredible extreme heat and especially the flood water, the heavy rain, the unpredicted, the heaviest rain we've ever experienced in the history of SABAH, it stayed. It did not erode. A few little areas of erosion that did not slide because of all the thousands of anchors, all the thousands of nails of the earth, of the nail of the earth. So this is a great testimony, and there's nothing better to see an ugly slope full of a living plant a flowering green evergreen solution. So we are Vetiver Grass King SABAH. Our YouTube is Vetiver King SABAH. Okay, that's our YouTube. We're international. We are Vetiver Technology Solutions.